Anita, how would you describe your journey so far?
And fruitful journey for me kasi just like what I've mentioned kanina, it's my first international pageant. And I'm just looking forward to the best things that is yet to come in this journey.
Anita, ito, since, ano pa to, Miss Grand, kamusta kayo ni Emma?
Doing great mo. I'm a good friend of Ate Emma. She's a good friend of mine. So I don't see any problem between me and Ate Emma. We're supporting each other as of the moment. I'm supporting her and she's supporting me. Kaya I don't think that we're doing too much of it.
May mga tips ba siya or advice na binibigay before you compete dito sa Miss Asia Pacific?
After our last casting, wala na kaming time to see each other. So maybe, hopefully, magkita pa kami. Pero sadly, mag-lock in ako tomorrow for the competition. So maybe, magkikita kami kasi I'll be supporting her sa Thailand in her coronation.
Anita! Sabay. Anita,
Eh, naunahan pa rin kayo.
I want all the Filipina women that we pinadala natin already won. Sharifa, Masay, kasi she's the last title holder na we have ng Filipina. And that was 7 years ago. Yes, I love all of that. I love all of that. I research so much about and I learned so much about the Filipino representative that we have. So I admire all of that. Maybe just like what I mentioned kanina, it should be more Miss Asia Pacific friendly more. Like, I mean, we have the prototype for Miss Grand International or the Miss Grand Philippines. And I think we also have the prototype for Miss Asia. So I think I'll do my passerella in accordance to what they're looking for.
Anita, anong for you yung stereotype ng Miss Asia Pacific?
Based on my research, wala naman, they're very diverse in choosing their queens. Kasi nga, they are like promoting beauty and diversity. So I don't see any prototype na they're looking or stereotype for their winners.
Anita, kamusta yung support ng taga-Zambales?
Very much supportive when it comes to my competition.